Thinking about the iPad mini 7? Hold on. You need to hear these shocking details before buying. Avoid regret by watching this first. Welcome to today's video. We're diving into the iPad mini 7 and why you should consider buying it, especially if you're looking for a new iPad. However, if you already have an iPad mini 6, stick around to hear why upgrading might not be necessary unless you find an amazing deal. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get into it. Should you upgrade? Here's a twist. If you already have the iPad mini 6, upgrading to the iPad mini 7 might not be as essential as you think. While the iPad mini 7 has its perks, it's not a game changer, unless you snag a phenomenal trade-in deal or promotion. Curious about why? Keep watching to find out. Portability. One of the most captivating aspects of the iPad mini 7 is its portability. This device is designed for convenience, boasting a sleek 8.3-inch display. It might not have promotion or a 120Hz refresh rate, but its size is perfect for both vertical and landscape use. Whether I'm on a road trip, vacation, or business trip, the iPad mini 7 is my trusty companion. Imagine having the perfect device for YouTube, web browsing, and social media in your hands. Sounds tempting, right? Performance. Now, let's talk power. The iPad mini 7 is equipped with the A17 Pro chipset, the same powerhouse found in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. It also supports Apple Intelligence, currently rolling out in the US, and boasts 8 GB of RAM, double what the iPad mini 6 offers. This makes it a beast for content consumption, video playback, and gaming. Upgrades from iPad mini 6. But that's not all. The iPad mini 7 comes with several notable upgrades over the iPad mini 6. A faster USB-C port, enhanced Wi-Fi support, 6E, and compatibility with the Apple Pencil Pro. These improvements make it a dream for creative apps like Procreate. Ideal use cases. The iPad mini 7 shines for those who crave a larger device for content consumption without diving into the productivity realm of bigger iPads. It's ideal for media consumption, gaming, and reading ebooks. Versatility. With its A17 Pro processor and Apple Pencil Pro support, the iPad mini 7 offers unmatched versatility. It's a top choice for anyone seeking a portable device that enhances the iPhone experience for media consumption and light productivity tasks. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any burning questions about the iPad mini 7 or want more in-depth content like this, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. It really helps the channel grow. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I'll catch you soon.